Hi students, I wanted to discuss about how we are ranking students currently in our coaching. So if you go to the website growthacademy.com and you go to rankings page, right, you will see this kind of ranking, and based on that you will get like prizes and scholarships based on your weekly performances or like aggregated monthly performances, right? And there are prizes for multiple stuff, like there are prizes who is ranked 1 overall, and there are prizes for who is most improved students, and also like prizes for last month, right, who did better. So I wanted to cover up how this ranking is. Basically this ranking is based on four things. One is your regular test, like your weekly test and the monthly test. So there is a point allocated to that. That's like 40% of the points you get for the ranking is from the test, and I guess monthly test will carry more weightage than the weekly test. So if you go to like some user, right, if you go to any user, you will see that there are this different types of points. Basically 40% weightage is to your regular test, weekly and monthly test. Then there is something called challenge points. Points are basically some tough problems for the topics you are taught, like it will be some NTSC Olympiad like questions or some tough questions which checks your concepts. Those problems you can find here if you go to challenge problems, and weightage for that is 30%. And then there are assignment points which has a weightage of 30%. Basically regular after the class you will get assignments, and if you do it properly you will get point for that. So these are, and then there is one more thing, you will get also points for helping students, like that part we can cover like later. Basically if you are regularly updating your, so these are kind of maths CBSE. Basically you can go ahead and upload your test papers here, like for this Divine Public School I uploaded one of the test paper. So you can, and also you can go ahead and get like help, like if someone is trying to get help from you, any student, and you are helping them and they are like kind of going and replying thanks to that, you will get like credits from that. So basically regularly helping students, like discussing some problems or like creating like documents like test papers and all, has a weightage of about 10%. So this is how ranking is. It's a combination of all these four factors. And in case if there is no new assignment or new challenge problem for your class, then you don't have to worry, because this weightage is basically only if there is an assignment, then how much percent of assignment is completed. If there is a challenge problem, how many challenge problem you have completed, then only like that percentage. If you see this ranking, like Anshika Yadav, she scored like 100% in the test, but she doesn't have any challenge or assignment problem, right? So that's why like her overall score is 100%. But as soon as there is like assignment or a challenge problem, then she has to score better in all those areas also to maintain a percentage. Okay, we can discuss in the class if you still have any doubts. Okay, this is how ranking works. Thank you. So I guess